Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our brand new show here on Eman Channel. This is Let's Eat Street. Now you're wondering, why am I dressed like this? Why are we in a kitchen? Well, with Ramadan fast approaching, we're going to show you some authentic Indian street food that's going to take you up to Ramadan and through Ramadan as well. We've got some amazing starters, we've got some mouth-watering mains, and we've got some delicious desserts to show you new ideas, because like me, you might be sick of your mum's pakoras as well. So we're gonna try something new, and we're gonna do that with our chef Nitesh. How are you, bro?
Very good, thank you.
Today you're gonna show us some delicious food, some ideas that people can take through for their iftar, for the dishes that they're gonna be making at home. Give them some new variety, something a bit more exciting maybe. Yes. But explain to me why that ugly fish is over there, bro.
It's not an ugly fish. It's one of the most famous fishes in India. It's called pomfret.
It is an ugly fish. This is called a pomfret, yeah?
It's called a pomfret. It might look ugly to you now, but once the dish is ready, I'm sure you'll love it. That's what we're aiming for. This show is that amazing that we're going to make a fish that ugly, apparently look delicious. All right, so tell us more about what it's going to be. Okay, so we'll quickly clean the fish. Is it going to have its eyes and its mouth and its whole head still attached? Yes. I can't do that. This is how it is going to be. So we'll clean the fish quickly. So
it puts me off.
Why is that?
Because it looks like it's still alive. You know, when it's there, it's just looking at you with its like poor little face.
I know.
He's got his mouth open. His eyes are still. It looks like he's looking directly at me.
I am a fish lover, so yeah, I do like eat fish a lot. And you know what's the tastiest part in the fish?
When it's finished.
The eyes.
You eat the eyes?
Yes, and that's one of the most tastiest part in the fish.
Okay, what are you doing now then? Are you going to take the bones
clean this? Yes. No. We are going to cook this whole. But what I'm trying to do is obviously open this up, so clear all of this. And so when we fry and eat, we don't get all this heart, livers and all that. We clean the intestine and all that bits. So let me just quickly take it to the sink, give it a quick wash and come back. Actually, let me also sear it quickly.
You know, the only fish that I'm used to, it comes with chips.
Trust me, that's not healthy.
It's not healthy, so this is a healthier option, is it?
It's one of the healthiest option as well, and very popular dish in India.
In India, yeah.
Let me just take it for a quick wash.
Okay.
So you got this fish all cleaned up. What we'll do is we'll quickly pat dry it.
Pat dry it?
Pat dry.
What does that mean?
It's basically drying the fish because it has got water in it.
Yeah.
What will happen is if you try to marinate the fish with the water, all the spices will go off with the water.
Okay.
So you have to dry it before you marinate it.
So is this going to be a spicy fish?
Not really. It's going to be medium spicy. Okay. Yeah, but a lot tangy. It's actually the sauce that we're doing is a South Indian flavored sauce. So we'll have mustard seed, curry leaves going on, a lot of ginger, garlic, chili. So yeah, we'll have a lot of flavors going on.
And it's called a Tawa Pomfret.
Yes,
so what's the Tawa Pomfret?
So basically, we're going to be cooking it in a pan, which in Hindi they call it tawa.
Okay.
So that's why the name of the dish is Tawa Pomfret.
Okay, makes sense now. Perfect. So we've got our dry fish.
Yep. So once this is all dried up,
we're
going to leave it here.
Yeah.
And I'll start marinating it. What I'll do is I'll put some salt first.
Yeah.
Put some turmeric, just a little bit, not too much. Just have to see the color. You should not taste the turmeric. And then we'll put some ginger garlic paste.
Where did you learn to do this?
I used to cook. I'm cooking for a long time. I did my hotel management back in Bombay.
Yeah.
Did my post-graduation here in London. And then I was working in central London, a lot of restaurants, in and around
But
London.
you learned to make this in Bombay.
In Bombay, yes. My dad owns a restaurant back home. So this
Okay.
is one of the popular dishes in Bombay, selling it in restaurant as well. So I think that's where I got this
Awesome.
from.
You see, we got authentic street food, authentic Indian chef. We haven't just borrowed you out of Southall, yeah? You can confirm that, yeah?
I can, yes,
You
definitely.
were doing this in Bombay, yeah? So
Yes,
this is a
yes, I
popular
was.
dish in Bombay.
Yes, it is. It is. So when you marinate it, this is the, you make sure all the spices, the ginger, garlic, chili,
Yeah.
has been gone inside the fish, and that is one of the reason why we sear the fish as well. So
Okay.
all the masalas are gone
Just
in.
to get all the masala
Yes.
in, yeah?
Okay. So now we're going to leave it for about 10-15 minutes.
Yep.
So that all the masalas and the ginger garlic paste and everything and the fish itself, you know, it just binds the flavor in.
Yeah.
And then, yeah. And
Okay.
then we'll start the cooking.
Awesome. Let's do that. Okay, so that's got all the masala and everything.
Yes.
That's all over it. Now what are we doing next?
We will start the cooking procedure.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll turn both the gas on. I'll tell you the reason why soon. So while this is there,
Yeah. So what oil is that?
this is rapeseed oil. We only use rapeseed oil. A lot of benefits. It's a good oil, and the other thing is, it's got no allergies to it.
No allergies.
No allergen materials. So if
Allergen.
you use
No allergies.
vegetable oil,
Yeah.
there's soya in it.
Yeah.
They say it's vegetable, but if you read the ingredients, they'll be right soya extract or soya.
Okay.
So yeah.
So this is the
rapeseed
best
oil-
one to use, yeah?
Yes, it's the best one to use. This and there's sunflower oil as well, which is
Yeah.
a good one as well.
So you can use either.
Either, yeah. But I normally prefer using rapeseed oil.
Okay. Cool.
We'll just wait for.
What are you gonna do with the
Oil.
fish?
We're gonna shallow fry it.
No, what are you gonna do on the side?
On the side,
Come with
we're
the
gonna make the
salad
sauce.
or
No,
something like
so yes, we're gonna make some onion salad. You're gonna make the onion salad.
I'm gonna make the onion salad.
Yes, we'll ask you to.
I've
make
never made an onion salad before.
No problem.
Okay.
You're here to learn, right? You're here to learn.
Are we gonna
I'm here
have
to
some of
teach, you're
these?
Here to learn. This is coriander chutney.
Is that what we're gonna have with it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And this is tamarind sauce. We're gonna use for one of the sauces while cooking. That's
Lovely.
one of the sauces. Yeah. So yeah, I think the oil is hot enough. What I'll do is place the fish. Yeah. And then what I would do is leave it on a slow flame
Yeah.
on the side.
How long are you gonna leave that on there? How long will that take?
I think about 4 minutes each side.
Okay.
I think that should be enough. Yeah, we should get it done. And meanwhile, I'll take another pan and we'll make the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's gonna go in the sauce?
The sauce is the one that's gonna have. We'll start the tempering with mustard seed,
Yeah.
curry leaf,
Yeah.
bit of ginger garlic, bit of chili,
Yeah.
bit of this plum tomato there.
Yep.
Finish it with tamarind sauce and coriander.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. I don't know what any of those things are. I don't know which one's which, so
This is mustard
you're
seeds.
gonna have to point out. That's
Yes.
mustard seeds, yeah?
Yes, that is mustard seeds. So what are you trying to do with my fish?
Oh, that smells so good.
Okay, let's get some
Can't eat
ingredients
that,
ready
yeah?
for
It
the
still
sauce. Yeah.
looks like it's alive.
Yeah. Let's chop some green chilies.
You got a particular style of cutting this, innit? Because you got a bit emotional when I touched your knife earlier. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. Is I think chef is.
You do it at a sort of angle, right?
Yes, it is. And then
Not
you know you were
straight
just
down.
trying to chop it off in not the right way.
Nobody taught me how to chop, bro. It's not something that I learned.
Hopefully, by the time we finish the season,
Yeah.
you'll learn how to chop.
Did you do this stuff as a kid? Like, was it ever, like, did you ever, well, when did you think, you know what, I'm going to be a chef?
I can't particularly remember when, but I think I always wanted to be a chef.
Yeah.
Yeah. My dad wanted me to be an engineer.
Yeah.
So yeah, I did 2 years of engineering as well.
Oh, you did that, and then you decided, now I'm going to pack it in and cook fish.
Yeah. So we got a bit of ginger and garlic chopped here,
Yeah.
and now we're gonna start our tempering.
So this is going to be for our sauce, yeah?
Yes, that's the sauce.
Yeah.
for the fish.
Okay. That fish is coming along nicely.
Yep. Perfect. So you got your ginger garlic chili ready here. We'll start with the mustard seeds. Just a little bit, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds.
Yeah.
One thing about mustard seeds, when it goes in the oil, it has to crackle.
Start to crackle. I'll stand back.
It has to. If
It has
doesn't,
to.
it has to. If it doesn't crackle, the oil is cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get that crackle then.
Let's see.
That's it.
That's it.
That means the oil's ready, yeah?
The oil is ready.
Okay, so we
we'll
can
put
add
our
the
ginger
rest.
garlic chili here. Quickly. Give it a quick toss. We'll add some curry leaves to it.
It's all starting to smell really good in here now. Lots of aromatic spices, the fish, the masala, it's all coming together.
Yeah, we'll just let the ginger garlic to brown a little bit so the flavors out. Once it's all nice and brown, we'll add a plum tomato.
Easy, bro. You're gonna,
That's what Indian cooking is all about.
scorch my beard. Yeah, but like you said, that's what Indian cooking is all about, yeah?
Yeah.
So do you have fun with it? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
Yeah?
Yeah. So now we'll add a bit of salt, a bit of coriander powder, say about 1 teaspoon, bit of garam masala to it, little bit turmeric, bit of chili powder. That's it. Just
Starting
give
to
it a
get
good
that-
toss. Yeah.
That
just
really
give it a
nice color
good
as
toss.
well on the sauce.
Yeah.
You gotta give me a warning the next time you do all of that fire
Definitely,
stuff.
I will. Yeah. I just want
Is
to
it safe?
surprise you.
Is it
Yeah,
safe?
it's safe now. It's safe. It's just a tamper.
That's gorgeous. I can't get enough of all of these aromatic smells coming together. Our sauce is almost ready. The fish is in the pan. Join us again after the break and let's eat street.